In boxing, when you hit them hard or you got them on the ropes, you go harder. You have the advantage. You drive in. In business, in life, that's a bad idea. If you have the advantage, if you have the upper hand, and you drive in hard, you destroy relationships. You destroy trust. You destroy cooperation. You get a bad rep as a bully. You get a bad rep as someone no one wants to work with. No one is going to be maybe ever as good as you. Fantastic. Well done. Congratulations. The problem is we're all working with imperfect people. And we'll always have to work with imperfect people. How do we get on with them? When there's a problem, something doesn't go well, they're going to lose face when this problem comes out. Motivation goes down, right? Commitment goes down. Engagement goes down. If you're their boss, is you happy with that? You think this is going to go better? So always remember, be very careful what we say when things aren't going well with people. Think how we can help them to get through this without losing face. Now, particularly in Japan, very, very, very important principle here. Don't let the other person lose face to make you feel like a big hero, so smart, so wonderful, so capable, so perfect. You're an idiot. No one will want to work with you. Let the other person save face.